Welcome back to Divine Times 2. We love to share delicious recipes, hauls, and sometimes reviews on products we think you'll like. Hope you're doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. During the month of January, we are going to show you 5 delicious and comforting soups. We chose these soups because they are delicious and are easy to make. So join us every week for a different but amazing soup that will not only warm your soul, but your home as well. Let's get started on the third soup of the week, chicken and vegetable noodle soup. In a 5-quart saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. I am using chicken fat. I have a video on how I get the chicken fat from chicken stock, and I'll place that video at the end of this one. To the stock pot, I am adding 1 chopped medium onion, 1 sliced celery rib, 1 medium cubed carrot. Cook this on medium heat and stir well. Cook this until the vegetables are tender for about 7 to 9 minutes. The vegetables are tender. It took about 7 minutes on medium heat. Now to this I am going to add minced garlic, 1 cup frozen green peas, stir, I've cooked the garlic and the green peas for about a minute. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon dried chives and 1 teaspoon ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon poultry seasoning. Stir well. Cook for about a minute. Let the heat bring out the flavors of the seasonings. I have reduced the heat. Now it's on low. And I am going to add 5 cups of water. You may use 5 cups chicken broth. Here's the other cup of water. And since I'm using water, I am going to use 2.5 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. I am going to stir this and cook it for about a minute until the bouillon is incorporated in the water. Now I'm going to add 1/2 cup whole milk, 1/2 cup, half and half. I am going to heat this through before I add anything else to it. The whole milk and the half and half were at room temperature. I am cooking this on low to medium heat. I am going to stir constantly for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the soup has slightly thickened. Okay, at this point, I am going to add 2 cups of egg noodles. I am going to simmer this until the noodles are cooked. You may cook them al dente or even softer than that. And I am not going to put a lid on it. I have it on medium-low. At this time, the egg noodles are al dente. Took about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add 3 cups cubed chicken. I boiled around 2 medium-sized chicken breasts and cubed them. You may use a chicken breast from a rotisserie chicken. You may use that. Now I am going to stir this and heat it through for about 5 to 8 minutes. I need to give this a try. It's delicious. The carrots are not mushy. The peas are not mushy. Everything combined makes a wonderful, comforting flavor. This soup is delicious. You guys are going to love it. Please comment down below and let us know that you made it, and hopefully you love it because it's amazing. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know if you make any of these wonderful soups. And if you have any recipe ideas you would like to see on our channel. If you have not subscribed already, please do so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.